Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the basics so you can act immediately. Check iOS version and at least 5% free storage. Once done, verify a stable Wi-Fi connection and disable any VPNs that can block Apple servers. Make sure you have the exact Apple ID and password plus access to a trusted phone or email for verification codes. Now, sign out of iCloud in Settings if possible, and reboot the device to clear temporary system locks before the next steps. You now perform the detailed recovery steps. Attempt sign in Settings or add Appleid. Apple. Calm and observe the exact error message. If two-factor prompts fail, request a verification code on a trusted device or text. If none arrive, start account recovery and note the estimated wait time. Reset the password only if the device accepts it. Otherwise, use your recovery key or trusted contact instructions. Make sure to follow on-screen delays and keep the device online during the entire process. You finish by signing back into iCloud and confirming App Store and FaceTime access. Enable required services and watch for error prompts. Once signed in, install any pending iOS updates and reboot again, because time and date mismatches often block authentication. If the Apple ID still won't open, try signing in from another trusted device or a desktop. When these fail, contact Apple support with your device serial number and proof of purchase. One tip: keep screenshots of errors to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.